welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to your show. If you're new to this channel and you watch this content, please just give it a thumbs up. Or if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Or if you come across this video in any way and you like it, please subscribe. Subscription is free. Hit on the notification bell. It's free actually. So most of us are no strangers to Veetgold. I think they even have lipsticks. I think they have a powder and so on. But today I want to talk about their shower baths. Their Nano White and Niacinamide shower baths. This one. So we all know that niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, it's a powerful antioxidant. Benefits of this, as is written here, I've used it, so I'm going to give an very honest review. Super benefits, as is written. I don't know if you can see it, so I'm just going to read it out. Extra whitening, calms sensitive and irritated skin, clears sunburn and brown spots, clears redness and black spots, controls oil, control body odor, fights fine lines and wrinkles, stops pore appearance, glows and shines skin. And it says how to use moisturize. After moisturizing your body, please take the appropriate amount of this product on your palm, apply it around your body, try to massage it gently in order to make it rich in foam, then rinse your body with water. Moisturize your body. Then rinse your body with water according to how they said we should use it here. One thing about this, I must give it up for them. This smells so good. This smells super good. I'm telling you. Scrubs, body scrubs, those stuffs that they have, it has little amount of it. As you can see, it's from my experience. You can see it's come down. It's nice. As for, and it makes your body a kind of, you know when you bath and you take out everything, it's super nice. And it's, like I said, it smells super nice. I like this, and the ingredients, they are nice. I like this. This is my baby. Apart from the lathering, the rich in lather, which is no, it's not actually. It does not lather well. It doesn't. Apart from that, this is a go. This is a go. I love this. So guys, till next time, if you've used it actually and you want to tell me your experience, it's also free. You can comment and tell me all about it. Till next time guys, I love you. Please love yourself. Stay safe. Bye.